In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Right Discord app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So for you to be able to install the Right Discord app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store on your Android smartphones. Go to Google Play Store, and my Play Store is here. And from here, go ahead and tap on this search icon, or you can also use the search on top here and then search for Discord app like that, and tap on this search and it will take you to this app. You can see here is the logo of Discord app. It is from the Discord Incorporation company here. At the time of recording this app has over 6 million reviews with a star rating of 4.6, and the file size is currently 78, and currently it has over 500 million downloads. So this is the right app that you need to install on your smartphone. From here, go ahead and proceed to install, and this will go ahead and download the Discord app on your phone and then install it. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open here, or if you go to your apps now, you should be able to find your Discord app. So if you tap on it, this is the home interface on opening, and here is the welcoming page of Discord. Proceed and register or log into your account. So that's how you can download the Right Discord app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.